Hi, this is Neil from UseMyFrame.com and Chemistry clips. Very popular add-on to glasses, and whether it's a doctor prescription change, patient want to add transitions to their lenses, altering the segment height, whatever the reason, you have to remake the lenses, and you already made the chemistry clip. You already put the magnet inside the lens. How do you get it out? If you're like me, you've probably tried drilling through the back to try and tap it out. You might have a little success with that. It is kind of difficult. I tried it. Today I'm going to show you a real easy way, or much easier way, to get it done. Let me show you. Here's our lens with the chemistry magnet glued in there. And the tools that we'll need to get it out are going to be acetone. We have ours in a glass jar, a Q-tip, and a pick, a metal pick. These are what we're going to need. Alright, so the first step is going to be just kind of soaking that around that magnet, and even the magnet itself, with the acetone, and just put a good sized drop on there. The acetone won't hurt the magnet, and just let that sit for a little bit. And you know, acetone is bad for polycarbonate, and most of the chemistry clips that we use go into polycarbonate lenses, so that actually works out pretty good. But you know, you could still try it with plastic lenses or Trivex or high index, and it should be about the same process. So you see the acetone dried and left kind of a little film on there where it's starting to eat away at it. So put a little more. Put another good sized drop on there. And now with your pick, you want to get as close to the magnet as you can, and you want to push all the way down. You want to make sure you're as far down in the lens as possible, because if you're partly the way up, the greater the chances of chipping the magnet. So try and get down as far as we can, and then we're just gonna start digging up. Okay, we'll put a little bit more acetone on there, another big drop. I'll try it again. There it goes. And you do want to be careful. If I had my finger there, that would have definitely hurt. But so there's the magnet for our chemistry clip. You can see still looks good. It's not damaged. And now we can go ahead and reuse that for another job. Thanks for watching.